violent wind come from heaven and filled the whole house and that they were sitting. They saw what seemed to be tongues of fire. Ang ganda po nung sinayaw kanina ng mga dance ministry natin. I'm really, alam niyo yung aking, I felt something in that dance. No? Very powerful dance. They saw what seemed to be tongues of fire that separated and came to rest on each of them. Ang ibig sabihin ng Pentecost, kapatid ay tama. Ang ibig sabihin ng Pentecost ay 50 days after Passover. At sinicelebrate lagi nila yan sa end ng May. Yan ang piyesta uli ni Lord, no? Celebrate nyo yan, sabi ni Lord, ay, naku, pag pinag-arali yung mga piyesta ni Lord, ma-amaze ka. Alam nyo ba sa Passover? Sa Passover, ang kinakain doon, walang libadura na tinapay. No? Pagdating mo sa Pentecost, ang kinakain doon, dalawang tinapay, kahit may libadura na. Dalawang klase ng tinapay. Speaking about the Jews and the Gentiles, pwede na silang kabili, no? Very amazing. At pag-aralan niyo po yung Pentecost. But I like to focus here.